This is also very amazing today on the 26th of July 2023. Here is Albertinkatu, Albertinkatu 16 staircase C, and we've just built staircase D here. This is here in Punavuori, Redberg, Helsinki, as far as modernized Finland. Was built in 1962, turned 60 years old in 2022. It's going to be inspected in 2024, and it's in Bursage 1006. And inside here, it's also here in Swedish and Finnish as it should be also.
Yeah.
But here, but Henke panel is also preserved.
Yeah.
Let's get to runs here. Oops. Press it properly. I love this smell.
Same here.
Yeah.
Niissä tiippaakin vaiskettaa. Meidän temppaa pääkaupunkiseudun hissakeskus.
And yeah, luckily they are completely original and they have the windows and the mechanical franking there. So
Yeah.
it's not as common also. Because in those days it was very common that it would be either of them
Yeah.
or not anything at all, just a call button.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank
That's
you very much.